Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to reinstate your restricted business manager account. If your business manager is restricted or you have a message such as business activity restricted, this business may not fully comply with our advertising policies or other standards. To find out more about this restriction, the business owner can request a review. That is, you can have this message maybe on your Meta Ads Manager app, or you may have this one. You may have this one in your ad manager on a computer or account quality. Okay. So first of all, let me share my computer screen, and we take it from there. So this is where I am, and then it could be that maybe you've logged into Ad Manager and you are seeing something like ad account disabled. This ad account and some of its advertising assets are disabled. You can't use this ad account to run ads. And when you click on see details, this is where we are. So they are saying this business manager cannot run an advert. Now, what we are seeing here is the ad account. If we want to see, we have to look at the business itself. And then if you click on account status overview, or is the business manager that is restricted before the ad account is restricted. In fact, the ad account is restricted by default because it is being under the business manager. That is the whole thing. Okay. So let's go to business manager. So we click on view. So this is the business manager. All of them are ad account under that business. So go to business manager. Okay, so they are saying that identity confirmation required. We noticed some suspicious activity on this account. Before you can request a review, we need to confirm your identity. We need to confirm your identity. Okay, so to confirm the identity, these are the processes that you need to follow in order to get your identity confirmed. First of all, you have to make sure that you check your first and last name on Facebook to make sure that it is matching with the ID that you're going to use. So you make sure you check the first, last, and your middle name. If it is not matching, you click on your profile picture on the right-hand corner. Then you go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you go to settings. And from settings, go to general profile setting. You see name, and then you see your name. You see your name. So from name, you go to edit. If the first, the last name, and the middle name are not matching with the ID you are going to use, you make sure you change them to match with the ID you are using. And for your information, the IDs that you can use are voter ID. So you can use a voter ID. You can use, in fact, national ID is the first one. You can use a national ID, and then you can use voter ID. You can use passport. You can also use driver's license. All these are options that you can choose. So any of them that you choose, you make sure that the name, the first, the last, the middle name is matching with what is on Facebook, is matching with what is on the ID card. Okay. So after you are done with that, come back to your home page on Facebook. Then click on your name on the top left-hand corner. Go to your About section. Go to your contact and basic info. So make sure that you check your birth date, and then you check the birth date in total, the date, the month, the year, then the gender. Make sure you check all that. Okay, so after that is done, okay, you come back to account quality. Come back to account quality. Okay, come back to account quality, where you will see identity confirmation required. Where the identity confirmation required, if you are ready with your ID card, we are going to confirm the identity. So you click on confirm identity, click on start, continue. Okay, so you click on I am not a robot. Security check. To confirm your identity, will text a confirmation code to your phone. I don't have a problem. They will send you several codes for you to confirm that you really own those information that you are claiming. Waiting for the code to my email address. Okay. So now that the code has been sent and I've confirmed, I am asked to upload a photo of myself. Upload a photo of yourself. Upload a photo that clearly shows your face. Make sure the photo is well lit and isn't blurry. Don't include other people in the shot. We will use this photo to help us check that this account belongs to you. We will delete the photo once we have done this, and it will never appear on your profile. Okay, so this one, they are requiring a clear photo of myself. This is just an image they are requiring. In this case, they are not asking for the ID, but they are asking for a photo of my face. Okay, so okay, just take that. Okay, so I have gotten the picture ready, picture that clearly shows my face as they rightly asked. And then I will upload it. Then they will go to and review it. When they review it, they will get back to me and I can take it from there. So I'm submitting it. Okay, so now they are asking me to upload my ID card, which I'll do again. So to help us check that this account belongs to you, we need a photo of your official ID. This could be a driving license, passport, or other type of official documentation. If there are any issues, we'll send you an email. So I've submitted my ID card, my identity card. So this one, they are going to review my information, and when they confirm my identity, when I come back, we will continue to request a review. So we're waiting for them to confirm the identity before we can continue to request the review. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm back in less than 48 hours. It's just like within 5 minutes, the identity has been confirmed. As you can see, the part they were saying suspicious activity detected, it is no longer suspicious activity detected. You can see request review. This one was blur, but now it is clickable and I can click and really request a review. Okay, so I'm going to request a review right away. So when I click on request review, you see they are asking which policy was violated. They are asking request a review of your restricted business account. If your business account was restricted from advertising because it didn't comply with the advertising policies or other standard, you can request a review if you believe it shouldn't be restricted. Why are you requesting a review? Don't choose I am not sure which policy was violated. Don't choose I think there was an unauthorized use of my account. Choose another reason, and then they will give you the permission to write your reason. Okay, so my reason is this. Dear Facebook or Meta, my business manager account has been restricted, and this is a very disturbing news to my business because my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I am told this business doesn't comply with one or more of our advertising standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior or associated with untrustworthy account. And I know that I have not violated any of these any of these policies they've just stated. And I even indicated that in the past 3 years, I've taken time to study Facebook ad policies in details, such as the prohibited content policy, non-functional landing page policy, and there are a lot of policies. I've taken time to learn all of them. And I want them to know that I've even indicated the website where their advertising policies are, that I've learned all of them. And they know that definitely someone who hasn't gone through the policies cannot say that. And I have gone through their policies. I know I've not violated any policy. These things just happen by mistake sometimes. So I want them to know that I am extra sure I haven't violated a policy, and this will definitely be a mistake from their system. They should please reinstate my account for me, because I'm sure I didn't violate any policy. But at the ending, I also indicate that if I made any mistake or I know, they should forgive me. And please help me get my business manager reinstated. I don't have any intention to violate any policy. Yeah, so after all that is done, then we click on send. So when you send, they are going to review it within 48 hours. If the decision is made, they will see your advertising access is reinstated, and then you can now advertise. So you are definitely going to see within 48 hours, they will normally respond. So you just have to be checking your email address after you submit the request for review. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell. We are doing videos every day to help you solve your advertising restrictions, whether Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. If you still do it and you don't get a solution, remember to leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, leave your comment or follow the links in the comment section to contact us. We will help you get your account reinstated and you can advertise again. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.